Hello, I'm Bruna Ladera with VOA 60 America. Today is September 17th, and these are the headline stories. Washington, D.C. remains a city in shock after yesterday's mass shooting at the Navy Yard, located not far from the U.S. Capitol. 34-year-old Aaron Alexis was fatally shot by police after he killed 12 people and wounded 8 others. So far, it is not known why Alexis went on a shooting rampage, but investigators say he had suffered from serious mental illness and had been arrested twice on gun charges. In remarks at the White House, President Obama said his thoughts and prayers were with all those who've been touched by this tragedy. The president also spoke about the recent agreement reached between Russia and the United States to secure Syria's chemical weapons, saying it was an important step. The United States and Cuba have begun a new round of talks on re-establishing direct mail services between the two countries. Mail service has been suspended since 1963. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.